It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm on Chicago Avenue in Evanston, looking at Dollop Coffee and Hoosier Mama Pie. Heading around for a look at the Firehouse Grill. Looking north along Chicago Avenue to the main Metro stop and CTA stop for the Purple Line. Looking also at a great strip of bars, restaurants, and one-of-a-kind shops. Brothers K Coffee House is around the corner. The Lucky Platter, ton of other restaurants. Just a great spot. And I am headed one half block east of here for a walk through one of the apartments at the Presidential. I just stepped into a one-bedroom facing toward the south, and it's very sunny here. It's plank flooring, honey-colored, that extends throughout the unit. An efficient L-shaped kitchen off to the right as you enter. Stainless steel appliance package includes a wall-mounted microwave, dishwasher, 4-burner gas range, espresso stained cabinetry, granite counter with an undermount sink, gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. It's a nice little inset area here that would work great for your dining table or as a home office. And just looking south toward the skyline. A clear day, you're going to get some great views. A view out toward Lake Michigan. Clear night, the skyline's going to light up. Attractive living dining area here. You can see the coat closet. That would have been off to your left as you enter the apartment. Looking toward the bath. Green tile on the floor. There's a floating vanity, wall-mounted medicine cabinet, and a soaking tub. Bedroom also has that sunny south exposure. There's a separate air conditioning unit through the wall. Plank flooring again, and a wall-wide closet. Presidential, as you saw, has that great location. The Presidential has a street-level outdoor terrace and a landscaped rooftop sundeck with a variety of seating, grilling stations, and a shaded area with views of the lake and the Chicago skyline. The building has a lobby-level fitness room with free weights and cardio equipment. There's a bike storage area and an easy-to-navigate on-site garage. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.